The balloon man. Miku loves balloon.
Good.
Miku runs to dad, get him a balloon. Miku
Get.
get 3 balloons.
Good. One.
One balloon is red, one balloon green, one balloon is yellow.
Very good. The balloon.
The balloons are tied in a long string.
Good. Miku.
Miku says, "Thank you, uncle."
Good. He holds.
He holds the balloon tightly so that
They
they
do not.
do not fly away.
Good. Miku
Miku
runs
runs
to show
his balloon